Have you been wondering how to start an essential oil business and find financial wellness with doTERRA essential oils? I'm Mandy, Sommers, an essential oil educator and a Founders 2.0 with doTERRA International. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 12 years and helping hundreds of people build thriving wellness businesses. If you're interested in starting a business with doTERRA and their amazing products and you're looking for a mentor who can guide you along the way, I would love to connect with you. You can click the link in the description below and fill out the form. We will connect one-on-one and see if it's a good fit for you and for us as well. Are you ready to learn how to make an extra $200 a month as a wellness advocate? First things first, let's talk about setting goals. Setting a goal of making an extra $200 a month is a great way to stay motivated and focused. It's important to keep this goal in mind as you build your business. Now, let's talk about some of the different ways that you can make an extra $200 a month as a wellness advocate. The first way is through retail sales. By consistently making retail sales, you can easily make an extra $200 a month. Now, one way to increase your retail sales is to host classes, to go and do vendor events, workshops to educate others, even to share on social media about the benefits of essential oils. Now, this is not my top way that I recommend. Another way to make an extra $200 a month is through team building. By building a team of other wellness advocates and helping them to also build teams, you can earn a percentage of their sales, but also qualify for some of the bonuses. This is known as residual income, and it can add up quickly. One way to build your team is to offer incentives and bonuses to those who join your team. So I want to give you a very specific strategy on how to make an extra $200 a month. That's after you've paid for your product using the doTERRA structure. So this one is based on the power of 3. Now, the power of 3 says that if you invite 3 people to come and do the business with you, and they're purchasing 150 PV a month, you receive a bonus if they're on your top line of $50. Now, that's not the $200 we were looking for, plus we're ordering $150 worth of product, right? And so really you're spending about $100 a month. Now, a lot of people are looking for an extra way to make an extra couple $100 a month. A lot of times I see business partners in doTERRA have these huge lofty goals, which are amazing to have. And there are definitely ways to replace your income and grow a massive residual income, just like we've done here with our team. But not everybody wants to have to work that amount, and not everybody is willing to put in the time and the energy to build a huge team. So if we're talking about creating an extra $200 a month, this is very simple. And you really just need to focus on the power of 3 and your fast start bonuses. So what is the power of 3? The power of 3 says that if you ask 3 people to link arms with you and earn enough to get free product, not only free product, but also to make an income, just a couple of extra $100 a month, they then join on your top line. Now, in order to qualify for this, you and them, everybody has to be ordering $150 a month. Now, you're like, Mandy, you just said, let's make an extra $200 a month, and you're telling me I have to spend $150. Well, what I like to tell people is sit with me. Sit with me for just a couple months, and as we build this out, if you give me 6 months, the sky is the limit with hitting that $200, probably even closer to $300 to $500 if you follow the system. Now, once you have found 3 people who also are looking for just a couple extra $100 a month, and they love essential oils, right? They want to get some product for free every month. We sign them up and we put them on your top line. Now, when all 3 of them and you order 150 PV that month, with an overall volume of 600, you qualify for a $50 bonus. Now, on top of that, if you were to enroll them with a starter kit of 150 the month before, you will have received 20% back on everything that they purchased. So that's right around $90. So month 1, you earn $90. Month 2, if everybody places their orders, you're going to earn $50. But on month 2, we're going to go to each one of those 3 and we're going to ask them to do the same exact thing. Find 3 people who need to make a couple extra $100 a month, and they love essential oils and they want to learn how to get their oils for free plus a couple extra $100. So each one of them find their 3 people. Now, if all of them did it, you would have 9 people on that second level down, and they would then have purchased their starter kit, right? And you will get 10% of everything that they purchase and 20% of everything that your people on your top line. So you're going to get $90 on that top line. And then on the line below that, you're going to get $15 per person that orders times 9. And you can add that into your $90. Now you've already paid for your product that month, plus you've made a little bit. Now, if everybody then goes to the next month, everybody's ordering 150 and they're finding their next level down, you're actually going to qualify for a $250 bonus, plus you're going to get some fast start bonuses off of that. And now you've created that income of $200 or more that month. Now, if you continued on and you went one level deeper, you could actually create a $1,500 bonus every single month, which we'll talk about in another video. Now that you know the basics of how to make an extra $200 a month as a wellness advocate with doTERRA, it's time to take action. Remember, the key to success is consistently making those connections with people to build your team. Take advantage of the promotions and the bonuses. Work hard with determination, get mentored, and you'll be able to reach your goal in no time. In short, making an extra $200 a month as a wellness advocate with doTERRA is possible by showing up consistently, by really focusing in on that structure, strategizing with the people that you're in business with, and keeping your goals in mind. I am looking for people to partner with and teach this system too. So if you're brand new and you do not have a doTERRA account and you're thinking that you want to get started, I would love to connect with you. Go ahead and follow the link in the description below. Fill out the form to work with me. We'll connect and see if it's a good fit for both of us.